everyone, and welcome to a new what I eat in a day video. I'm gonna show you everything I eat and drink today, and it's time for breakfast. I just got up. I think I'm gonna have some vegan yogurt today. I have some grapes in the fridge and a little bit of muesli. I think it should be good. I'm gonna keep it nice and simple today. Today, instead of my matcha, I have decided to make myself a chai latte. That is something I haven't had in a very long time. I think I could say years, almost actually. It's been a really long time since I made myself a chai tea. I have tea bags that are really simple, just to pop in some water, and I have frothed up some soy milk here in my little milk frother. So while I'm waiting for my tea bag to steep, I just wanted to talk to you about something I have been thinking about in regards to my what I eat in a day videos, and I'm pretty sure I have talked about this in one of these before because it's something I've been kind of, you know, that's been on my mind for a while, and it is that I feel like I keep showing you the same things over and over again, and it's just, I don't know, I know that many of you guys just love these videos, but I feel like they're not as interesting to watch because it's just the same thing every time. And that is mostly because I do just eat the same things every time. I have a very set routine that I just follow daily, and I pretty much eat the same things every day, and I have like a few options for each meal that I kind of go through. So I'm thinking of maybe moving towards a more kind of recipe based format for these videos, where I just kind of share a day of recipes, so a breakfast recipe, a snack recipe, a lunch recipe, etc., rather than showing you what I actually eat in a day, because that is usually pretty repetitive. I think that's the right word. My diet is pretty repetitive, and just not enough happens or changes in my diet on a day-to-day basis to make, you know, bi-monthly videos about it like I do now. Making more kind of recipe based what I eat in a day videos would be more interesting for you guys and for me as well, as kind of a different way to share my recipes, because I upload recipes very regularly on my blog in just written out form, but I feel like it could be a nice way to combine the two. So, you know, to have some recipes up on my blog where you can then go to read them, you know, check them out, see all the ingredients and everything, and then I also show you in a video, because I know that for many people that is the preferred platform to consume content in, or my content in any case. So yeah, do let me know what you think about that, if I were to try something like that. For today, I'm just gonna continue and show you what I do actually eat in a day. Yummy! So yeah, do let me know what you think of that idea. I will need a little bit of time to work on a concept and kind of a style that I want to make those videos in. Yeah, that's why I've decided to keep, you know, this one as a more vlog style video still. If you have any ideas on that, by the way, like what type of video you would prefer, because I could of course keep it vlog style as well, or I could make it a little bit more professional and streamlined. So let me know what you think, and I'll try out probably something different in the next what I eat in a day video, which will be in 2 months. So yeah, but now I'm just gonna enjoy my little chai and sit by my desk as always. It is time for lunch, and I'm gonna have a little bit of a weird lunch today. I have some kimchi here in the bottom of my fermentation pot that I want to use up because it doesn't fit in my jars anymore that I used to store the rest of it in my fridge. Yeah, homemade kimchi, guys. I have been successful, and there is a recipe up on my blog for homemade kimchi if you're interested. I've made a few batches now, and it is really delicious and super healthy. It is fermented vegetables, mostly napa cabbage and radish, but I have carrots in there, spring onions, loads and loads of things, and it's so good. Chili pepper, delicious. So I'm just gonna have a little bowl of that while it's still nice and fresh. To go along with it, I'm gonna have something that doesn't really go with it. I have some vegan cheese left over from when we made nachos a while back, and I want to use it up before it goes bad. So I think I'm just gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich, but I'm thinking I might just add some ketchup on top here so that it hopefully melts a little bit better, because this stuff just won't melt. So I think I'm just gonna try that, see if it works, and that's gonna be my lunch. And here we go, a nice and quick, simple but delicious lunch. I do hope it's enough though. I might just go back and have another sandwich later, but let's just enjoy this first. I haven't had enough to drink by far today, so I just made myself a little pot of this tea. This is the herbal tea with lemongrass from IKEA, and it is actually really delicious. I discovered IKEA's teas a few weeks ago. I have two and both are absolutely delicious, and I can highly recommend these if you can get your hands on them. They sell them in the IKEA food markets and they are so good. So good. Yeah, highly recommend. Oh, delicious. Can't wait to drink this. It's time for a little midday snack, and today I'm gonna go for 2 pieces of fruit and 2 crackers, one with spicy hummus and one with this vegan liver sausage, which is very good. So yeah, this is gonna be my snack along with a cup of tea from that pot that I just made. This wasn't my plan for today, but I'm having major cravings. So I'm gonna have a bit of this chocolate with hazelnuts and just yummy things. I'm not quite sure how much I will have of this, but I'm gonna have some. Sometimes you just have to, you know. I just got back from the gym and I think today I want to make a protein-rich dinner, so I have decided to make a 3-bean chili. It's a really simple, quick thing to make. You're just gonna throw everything together and yeah, that's it. So I think I'm gonna serve it with some brown rice, and that should be good. I'm gonna make a big batch so that we can enjoy it more than once. So let's get started. I totally should have used a bigger pot, but that was still the dishwasher from the soup that I made yesterday, and I was too lazy to wash it. But it just about fits, so that's good. I'm gonna make some rice with that and then it'll be ready to eat in a few minutes. Alright, my chili is ready. You can't tell, but there is rice underneath there. And oh, I can't wait to dig into this. Yummy! Oh, I almost forgot. I have an avocado to go with this. I literally just bought those. I don't know how I forgot, but yes. I'm gonna get my avocado. I think I'm gonna have, they're quite small, so I think I'm gonna have a whole avocado to go with this. That's better. And that brings us to the end of this video, so I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget to let me know what you think of what the future should be of this series, I guess, on my channel. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle videos. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There's another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!